KJ is a 21-year-old. He was brought here for a follow-up appointment with his sister for schizophrenia. He's here to receive his second dose of paliperidol via IM injection. On first arrival, patient had missed a few appointments but had been going to a couple. He lives alone. He quit smoking cigarettes 2 years ago but has a history of cocaine use but does not currently use. His drug screen came back positive for marijuana, however. According to his sister, he has not been eating as had not been eating as much and had not been hanging out with his friends. He had been experiencing auditory hallucinations as well. Patient has stated that the auditory hallucinations are not command hallucinations, and he sometimes uses his headphones and music to cancel them out. All vital signs are within normal limits. Patient has, since his first IM injection, has reported increases in appetite and a willingness to have social interactions now. I would recommend that the patient continue education on coping strategies such as group therapy, as well as to educate the patient and monitor themselves for other possible symptoms of relapse of schizophrenia.